Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix can't remove a keyboard layout in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Time and Languages. Click Language. Select Language. Click Remove. Keyboard layout is successfully removed. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand .default. Click and expand keyboard layout. Click Preload. I want to remove second one. Delete second one. Close and exit registry editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.